Hello everyone, welcome to Mike Uses Megazord. Today's video is issue 48 of the Altaya Megazord build. And we're going to be focusing on the left hand side of the Mastodon's body that will form the right hand shoulder of Megazord. So we'll do a usual parts check, make sure that we've got everything in the box, and then we'll get cracking. Okay, so 48.1 is our articulation section, construction piece. 48.2 is the interior structure. 48.3 is the shoulder articulation point. 48.4 is the supply disc. 48.5 is the front cap. 48.6 is a connection piece for pterodactyl in Megazord mode. 48.7 is the hinge piece. 48.8 is a friction joint. And 48.9 we have got 7 and 1 spare 2x5mm black machine screws. So everything's there. Let's go over the page and let's get started. So section A, what we're going to do is take 48.4, the connection disc, or the articulation disc, and we're going to insert the friction joint 48.8. And that'll just go straight into the centre, like so. On to section B, we're going to take the little sub-assembly we've just made and attach that to the grey shoulder connection piece through the assembly plate of 48.1. So once we hold it in place there, we'll attach it with 3 of the machine screws in section C. So again, this is a fiddly little assembly bit where you've got to hold multiple parts in place while you secure them with 1 screw, and then after that it gets a lot easier. So here's the first of the machine screws going in. Number 2. And number 3. So what this assembly does is allow the shoulder pivot on a Megazord, so the arm can move up and down. So on to section D. And what we're going to do is take the little clip here and drop that into place at the top edge where the cutout is on 48.1. Onto section E, we're now going to take the interior structure part. This will need lining up with the friction joint, as this will fit into place here, so make sure that the friction joint is horizontal in this alignment. And then you've got 4 connection ports where 48.2 will drop into 48.1, and this is where we're going to attach it and make it secure with 4 of the machine screws. So once that's fitted in place, we'll start with the attaching. So here's first of 4 machine screws. Here's number 2. Number 3. And finally, number 4. Okay, so not quite done with this page yet. So now we're going to bring in the main assembly of the Mastodon body, and we're going to attach this little sub-assembly that we've just made to it. So this section will sit just over this hinge point here and will be secured with the hinge post that we've got. So drop that into place, make sure it's nice and snug, and then we're going to take this, and it's a compression hinge part, so you need to give it a little squeeze to get it into the hole, and then just push it in, and then make sure it's flush so there's no sharp edges sticking out. Just a little quick demonstration of the hinge aspect. Over the page we go, and then the last part of this assembly is to put the front cap onto the main body here, and that will hide the hinge from view. And that will just click into place, no screws required. And that's it for issue 48. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you're just joining us. Anything you want to talk about in the video, drop a comment in the box. Otherwise, we'll see you next week for issue 49. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.